What's up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and today you join me here at an Essence meet in Richmond at Crumble Crookie here. It's gonna be raining all this weekend, so we are absolutely trying to get all these meets recorded so we can get some videos through next week. But this should be a banger. There's gonna be lots of cool cars, as with any Essence meet. So stick around, stay tuned. Let me know what your favorite car is down in the comments below in today's video. And remember, if you're looking for a new car, I work at Parkway Chevrolet. I can sell any new Chevy, any pre-owned, anything at all. And I can get any credit done, good, bad, or none. So let's put a dream in your driveway to start off 2026 right. And also, remember, I am hosting a car meet, Lawson Gears, coming up here. That's the 22nd. Put the flyer on screen somewhere over here. And on that note, let's get on to the action. God damn, some sort of centrifugal supercharged Caprice. Holy shit, this thing is sick. Crazy.
No.
GT63. We got the Audi RS3 Nardo Gray rolling up here looking good. Little 5-cylinder action. Keep up with the Euro theme. We got this GTI on a drag pack, which clearly got some work done to this thing. Got that hood stack. Thing is just crazy looking. And this thing absolutely dude. Caprice PPV on a drag pack, no hood gang, showing off that centrifugal supercharger. What blower is this? It is a Torque Storm supercharger with an absolutely insane looking Texas Speed intake manifold. I bet this thing is plenty of fun when the cops get fast like this, man. Then next to him, it looks like I got a CLS 63. More Euro boys out here looking good, and the big body AMG luxury and power. And we got, looks like I need a 440i, but with some work done to this thing. Big single hood stack, nice billet looking intake manifold. I bet this thing is quite fast as well. Then we continue on down the line. We got the oil slick patterned Hellcat Red Eye wide body. Kind of a wild wrap on this thing. Then some Mustangs and some more of the usual fare, I suppose. Some Supra Dupras. Got the Hellkeezy rolling on up. The Mopars down here and some numbers. This wrap is absolutely freaking crazy. All sorts of colors going on with this thing. And of course, in typical Mopar fashion, every color flow light kind of going on, RGB light patterns. We've got the wide body SRT Charger here also looking good. Got the Hellcat that's been in a few videos recently. And then round off the gang over here, we got the black and purple Charger wide body. Nice little blue wide body Scat Pack. Then TRX in the Trackhawk. Looking good. Get some more Mustangs over here looking good. The silver and the white, very, very clean. Definitely not like a color combo I would have thought to go for, but it works really well, especially with the orange accents. Next to him, we got the yellow boy on the RPF1. It's kind of that JDM look, but on a Mustang. And then we got the AMG GT63. No f***ing way, is that a Dodge Journey? So we got a nice little ZL1 over here. He's got the 1LE type wing out back, looking sharp. Next to a couple other boys here with the 5.0 Scat Pack, another 6th gen. We got another GTI over here with the hood pop. You see what's going on over here. There we go. For you boys who like the Euro cars. Alrighty then, let's go. The Pack-a-Punch GTI. This is a new Ford color, boys. This is crazy looking. I like this a lot, actually. Need some silver wheels, though. I think that's me speaking in my old age. But that color is sweet. Got the M4 comp over here, but then we got a gaggle of GT500s, including this red one on the bronze signature forged wheels. Looking good with lots of forged carbon accents here. Then we got the Brittany Blue GT500 as well over here. There we go. And to round off the trio, we got a carbon fiber track pack on some signature forged wheels as well. Engine coming in, chopping up a storm. We got the twin turbo S550 rolling on up. Boy, on the Bellix, can't hide that money. Looking good. Alright boys, so I think I've narrowed it down to probably my two favorite builds being this Caprice PPV with the Torque Storm supercharger and that single turbo 440i. Both builds I don't think have been on the channel before, and I just appreciate the different stuff. So there you go, boys. Got the 5.0s running on, got the white one over there, the gray one about to roll out as well. And we got this guy over here who was in a video recently. in the big turbo 335i. There you go. I didn't really see this guy either. Got some work done to this thing now. 335i sedan, it seems. Big single top mount with that. So it would be a hood stack if there was a hood. But I guess it's just like a top exit now. Got some boys rolling in with the 6th-gen Camaro here with the forged carbon type hood wrap. And we got this boy in the single cab thinking he's like security or something. Oh, that boy about to do something ticklish. M340 on like Supra wheels. Very cool.
My transmission's like leaving a little bit.
There's so many exits here, I don't really know where to go. So I'm gonna go just like right here, see what people do for me. Holy shit, brother. What in the hell? Oh, it's a Pro Charge Caprice, or the Torque Storm Caprice. That thing is wicked, dude. I love it. A little bit of turbo noise from the Super Dupra. Oh, here comes Turbo Beamer guy, fresh out of jail. Never too good of a sign when these guys pull up. What the hell is that? Oh, this guy again. What the Civic do? Tow truck's coming on numbers. That's never a good sign. Them boys just looking to legally steal your car. Them are separate from that other one that showed up too. There's another one over there. I think that's 4 in the lot right now. is going on here? This is like a Corolla? The Volkswagen. Huh. Range Rover on some Ford Giottos. Oh hell yeah, SVR too. Oh. Oh, there's the cops. Whoop, whoop. Oh, he yanked his trunk shut on the Honda. Incredible. Oh, there's somebody trying to do some donuts down there in a Mustang. What the hell? It sounded like a popcorn getting popped. Damn. Got some boys rolling out this way. Got that M440i that makes all that power rolling out, and the Hellcat Red Eye. Apparently at some point, I think somebody in this Journey, this Journey got hit by somebody. I don't know who, I don't know when, but now we got multiple cops here. Meet's over, pretty much, I think. That boy, the scary guy in the army green in the ghost car. He the serious patrol. For some reason, the Journey was revving, and mid-rev rolled back into this Charger. Because everybody wants to hear a Dodge Journey rev. Am I right, folks? Am I right?
I was the lightest one of the stack! No, that actually... I don't know, we should touch it.
They were actually so unamused with him being on the ground, they're leaving.
Do that more often.
Can you send the
Where are you going? No! Hey! Hey, where are you going?
Fuck there.
Somebody please.
I can't do it.
Call me the press.